What's up, everybody? I hate your face. I'm bringing you back to another video with me. I've been ordering so much stuff lately. I'm just gonna start doing reviews on shit that I've been getting. So I just recently got new cables for the net. I thought CAT8 was the top line to get right now. Well, I found out CAT8. You can order it online, but you can't find it in stores anywhere that I know of yet. So, or if you do, it's going to be pretty pricey instead of buying it online. But I ended up getting two lines, a 6-foot cable and a 10-foot cable. So I can upgrade everything from the box to the router, and then from hardwire from the router to my system. I'm currently in the process right now to get my PC. So I was in talks with them today. I am probably going to go with Intel because supposedly they act like I don't know what I'm talking about. This dude who says he's all about, gaming PCs and he knows what he's saying, says you can't have AMD with an NVIDIA card. How much do I know about that? I don't know, but I was able to do a build on that. And it didn't say it conflicted with anything. So, how much do I know about that? Don't know. I'd have to do my research on it. But I'm going to go with an i9 with the 2080 Ti Super. And it's going to have a 850 power supply in it. So it's going to be a beast of a machine. I wanted to go mid-grade, but now I'm going almost high tier now with it. So it's going to take me some time to pay it off, but it's better because I can have it in my possession now instead of waiting and saving up money for it. So I can eventually switch over to PC. So you'll eventually start seeing me play PC games here soon. So, but okay, I'm gonna get to these two packages because I'm gonna check them out, see what they look like and everything. So, all right. Alright, I see. They're gold plated. Pretty well put together compared to the other ones from that, like the CAT6. They're pretty thick too, just like the CAT6. But these, I believe, are 26 AUG. So, yeah, I can see definitely a difference. Yeah. See if I can get this to focus better. The lighting in the back is messing with it. But yeah, it's really nice quality. So, and I think I only paid 22 and some change for the two cables. That was the 6-foot line. This is the 10-foot. So yeah, definitely be updating. Yeah, it's CAT8. So definitely it will help. So Yeah, because I was looking into the reviews on it and everything, because I seen in a stream somebody mentioned something about going to CAT8, and I was like, CAT8? Like, I thought there was only CAT6, because I know there was CAT7, but that's mainly for like businesses and stuff like that, with like multiple lines and all that stuff. So, but yeah, I guess 8, it definitely helps out huge. So, definitely stops like the latency and the lag and all that. So, we shall see, because PlayStation's been really messing up lately. It just going up against whenever you do cross play, it gets really bad. Like, I'm lucky to win maybe 4 out of 10 fights due to the latency and the lag. And I have pretty good net, so I don't understand why that would be such an issue, which it's not. So it's definitely coming from the servers and all that stuff. So we'll see how this will help out. So with that being said, I shall see you guys again real soon. I hate your faces, and hopefully to see you in one of my streams. All right, later.